Hello guys, now I'm going to teach you how to solve this problem in a correct way. First we do this 1 over 10 multiplied by 10. Here we can easily cancel this 10 and this 10 and answer is 1. And 10 multiplied by 1 equals 10. But this is not our correct answer because 1 over 10 multiplied by 10 equal, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and according to this rule we have to first this, and here we can use this rule KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. Here keep 10 and change division have to change it by multiplication and multiplied by, and flip we have to flip this and when we flip it equals 10 and multiplied by 10. First 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100 multiplied by 10, and 100 multiplied by 10 equals 1,000, and this is our final and correct answer. We can write it here, 1,000. Thank you.